In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a PayPal invoice or payment request in just 5 minutes. Whether you've sent an invoice by mistake or your payment request needs to be withdrawn, navigating through PayPal's features can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the process. Don't worry, that's why I'm here to guide you step by step. First things first, head over to the PayPal website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL or simply searching for PayPal. Once you're on their homepage, you'll see the login button prominently displayed at the top right corner. Click on this to enter your credentials and access your account. If you use two-factor authentication, PayPal might ask you to verify your identity. You have the option to receive a text or WhatsApp message, so choose the method most convenient for you and follow the prompts. After successfully logging in, you will find yourself on the PayPal homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can see a summary of your account activities and other important information. To move forward with cancelling an invoice, you need to navigate to the invoicing section. Look for the create an invoice link, often found within your account summary options. Clicking on this will direct you to the invoice management area of your PayPal account. Once you're in the invoice section, look for the invoices tab. This is where all your outstanding and completed invoices are listed. Here you will see an overview of each invoice you've sent, including the status, such as paid, pending or completed. Find the invoice that you wish to cancel. It's essential to be sure you've selected the right one, especially if you manage multiple transactions regularly. Now, although the initial steps are about accessing and identifying the invoice, the final crucial step is locating the cancellation option. Often, PayPal will allow you to simply click on the specific transaction you're focused on, where you'll find a detailed page about that invoice. Somewhere in this section you'll see an option to cancel or void the invoice. This option may vary slightly by location or account settings. So, go ahead and select the cancellation option, confirm that you want to proceed, and just like that your invoice is cancelled. This ensures that the recipient will not be asked to make a payment, and they will receive a notice of the cancelled request. Keep in mind that if the invoice has already been paid, you'll need to manage refunds separately through PayPal's Resolution Center. And there you have it, a straightforward method to cancel any PayPal invoice or payment request. Remember, keeping your transactions organized is key, and checking this section regularly can help prevent any future issues. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.